We understand that choosing to purchase a new HVAC system can be a big decision and a significant investment. In this video, we'll go over our commonly asked questions when it comes to paying for your HVAC service. Hi, I'm Luke with Fire and Ice. As a residential sales professional, I've spoken with many customers across Central Ohio. The number one question I'm always asked is, how much does it cost? In this video, we've taken our most common cost and payment questions and cover what forms of payment do you accept, what financing options are available, do you have any incentives, does this qualify for tax credits, will my home warranty cover service or replacement cost, and finally, what can I expect when working with Fire and Ice? What forms of payment do you accept? At Fire and Ice, we accept all major forms of payment, and you're welcome to pay in full or through installments. We accept cash, check, and all major credit or debit cards, ACH digital checks, and Mycroft. We even accept Bitcoin. We also have financing available through the Wells Fargo Home Projects credit card. What financing options are available? Some of our financing options include 0% interest for up to 72 months on qualifying equipment, no interest if paid in full within 6 and up to 18 months. And if you're looking for lower monthly payments with some interest, we have those options available as well. Do you have any incentives? We have several incentives. We appreciate our military and offer $250 off for members of the military and veterans. If you're paying in full by cash or check, we offer up to 3% off. If you purchase a high-efficiency gas furnace of at least 96% efficiency, Columbia Gas currently offers up to $300 in rebates. Lastly, there are incentives when adding accessories to qualified full system installations, such as an upgraded Aprilaire media air filter. Check with your residential sales professional for more information on terms and conditions or incentives and rebates. What qualifies for tax credits? Some models do qualify for tax credits. According to EnergyStar.gov, certain high-efficiency heat pumps qualify for tax credits. The same is true for some high-efficiency air conditioners and furnaces. The tax credit amount can vary depending on current standards, but typically the credit can be up to $300 per unit. Since these credits may change in the future, we suggest talking with your tax professional or CPA to find all eligible tax rebates that apply to you. Will my home warranty or insurance cover service or replacement costs? Technically, yes, but it's not always an easy process. Home warranties and insurance companies can cover some things, but it's not always given, and it's usually never the full amount. The amount you receive is determined by the insurance company and the diagnosis of the problem. Your HVAC contractor will provide an estimate for the repair or replacement, and it's up to the insurance provider to determine how much of it you are owed, if any at all. What can I expect when working with Fire and Ice? Deciding to invest in a new HVAC system can be a big decision. It's important to choose the right HVAC contractor who follows industry best practices. This is the best way to avoid buyer's remorse and get the most out of your HVAC system. Now, I'll be upfront with you and say that Fire and Ice might not be the cheapest option. We're often asked why that is. The simple answer is, we do more than the competition because your trust is our business. Studies have shown that 90% of HVAC projects are installed incorrectly. Incorrect installation can reduce your system's efficiency, shorten the lifespan of your equipment, and rob you of your comfort. At Fire and Ice, we have done everything in our power to be in the top 10% of HVAC contractors. There are a number of factors that differentiate Fire and Ice from everyone else. For starters, all of our employees are W-2 hourly employees with benefits, and we invest in their training. We pay for our technicians to get NATE certified and invest in their continued education. Next is our thorough, no-obligation sales process. During our sales presentation, a sales professional will go over each of your comfort concerns. do an assessment of your existing system, and perform a manual J load calculation to determine the correct size system for your home and identify any ductwork modifications you may need. We will then take all of this information to customize a solution that meets all of your needs and fits within your budget. By the end of the presentation, you will be given a no obligation quote. And since hidden fees are the worst surprise, we make sure this quote includes the price of equipment, installation, and any other fees such as permits and rebates. Third is our installation process. We have found that the only way to properly install any HVAC equipment is to use the most accurate, state-of-the-art tools and installation techniques. To achieve this, we invest in our technicians' ongoing training, where they receive 200+ hours of paid training in our state-of-the-art training center. We also invest in digital gauges and tools to ensure that equipment is installed correctly. At the end of our installation, our technicians make sure that the equipment is dialed in and working to manufacturer specifications. Now, if you're looking for accurate price ranges for any major piece of equipment, check out our Learning Center, where we have in-depth articles and videos that detail pricing for every brand we offer. If you want more information on the products and services we offer, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day even better.